Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can increase image resolution or screen resolution in Windows 11. So all you have to do now, just simply right click on the desktop here, right click with your mouse and click display settings, and here we go. You can try to find display resolution. Adjust the resolution to fit your connected display here. So you can choose the recommended one. So I'm using the 22-inch monitor, so the recommended is 1080p pixel, and the minimum is 800 and 600 pixels here. So you simply choose your resolution here and keep change, or if you feel you don't satisfy, you can click revert. So if you use a 22-inch and 24-inch monitor, I recommend you to use this 1080p as a native resolution. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.